Hello, my name is Anthony Steed and I'm head of the Virtual Environments and Computer Graphics Group at University College London. We've been looking at virtual environments and other forms of mixed reality since the early 1990s. And in this talk, I thought I'd just give you some reflections on different ways in which we've evaluated these systems over the years. I've characterized our approach to evaluation methods in 4 different stances. The first is somewhat traditional, that mixed reality is a novel form of human-computer interaction, and one of the phenomena which is interesting is presence. Which sometimes has been assessed by questionnaires, but more often is assessed by observation of how people react. We know presence in mixed reality. When we see it, people behave in certain ways. So the way this has been going over the last couple of years, has been looking more on the types of embodiment and embodied action using the ideas from neuroscience. And we've been looking at these and trying to develop things that go beyond embodiment questionnaires to try and find evidence of perceptual and behavioral phenomena that's unique to the immersed situation, in that you treat data that you see or images that you see in novel ways. The second stance is that mixed reality is a scientific instrument. So many people are interested in mixed reality because they can use it to study humans or to study situations. And this leads us to look for evaluation methods that take our perceptual systems, try to understand them, and look for what are veridical responses. The third stance is that if mixed reality is a tool, then it should be usable and have utility. So some of our recent work has been revisiting traditional usability methods and applying them to mixed reality systems to find common usability problems and common workarounds that people are using to accomplish the tasks that they want to accomplish. The final stance is that mixed reality is a communication tool. This is one of the most powerful applications of mixed reality, in my opinion. And this is an area where we've long studied collaboration, but we're looking for much better methods for effectiveness of communication, to compare it to other media, to make the argument that social virtual reality and social augmented reality are better than other forms of communication. And we've also started to study much longer engagements with mixed reality. There are people now that have spent thousands of hours in some of these experiences. So that's it. Thanks for listening, and I hope the workshop goes well. Thanks also to all the current and former members of the VECG group for their input to all the studies that this is a reflection upon.